Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing every accessory and visually inspecting the Huawei Y7 2019. Dirt and pressure points often cause ghost touch. Once removed, power down and clean the glass and bezel with a microfiber cloth dampened lightly with 70% isopropyl. Do not pour liquids. After that, force restart the phone by holding power and volume down for about 10 to 15 seconds to refresh drivers. When it restarts, boot into safe mode to check if a third-party app triggers the phantom touches, because safe mode disables user apps. Once in safe mode, go to settings and install any pending system or security updates. These patches can fix touch driver bugs. Make sure to clear app caches and the cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files that might misreport touches. If the problem began after installing an app, uninstall that app and test again. If software troubleshooting still fails, back up photos and contacts, then perform a factory reset. This eliminates deep software faults. And after reset, restore only essential apps so you can observe whether the problem returns. If software steps don't stop the ghost touch, you must inspect hardware. Open the back or take it to a technician to reseat the digitizer connector or test with a known good screen, because a failing digitizer or loose flex cable produces intermittent phantom inputs. When replacing parts, use OEM or high-quality compatibles, follow proper adhesive and grounding procedures, and verify fit before sealing. If problems persist, seek a certified repair shop. Troubleshooting tip: if replacement still shows ghosting, test with a new digitizer on a working motherboard to isolate the faulty component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.